how to force close an application on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC Task Manager. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about or show you how you can force close an application on Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, you need to uh, right click on the taskbar and see the taskbar option like taskbar setting. You can also turn on the taskbar option uh, by pressing Ctrl Alter and Delete button together, and you just have to open the task manager from here, and after clicking on the task manager options it will show you this kind of interface as you can see. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can force close a application. So let's say that we want to force close application that is Google Drive. So let's say you want to force close this app. So you just have to right click on the application, and you can see there's an option called end task here, and you can also see if you left click on this app, on the upper right corner there is a option called end task, and if you click end task, the app will be force closed. So that's how you can force close an application on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So that's it for this video guys, see you on the next one.